Hey guys, it's your girl I See You Chris, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I am super excited because it's October and it's also Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so think pink, okay? And it is also Mean Girls Awareness Month. So Colourpop came out with a Mean Girls collection, which I was super excited about, and it was like a secret kind of launch on October 3rd. And for any of you guys that know Mean Girls, you know Wednesday and October 3rd are huge elements of the movie. So Colourpop came out with this Mean Girl inspired collection. I did get the Ooh La La palette, which I'm super excited about, and it comes with all these cutesy, pinky, purpley colors that are absolutely adorable, and the palette itself is just super cute. Like, look at this, you know? So I'll be showing you how I achieved this look with that palette today. And also about a week before, maybe a few days before, I'm not exactly sure, but Colourpop recently came out with their Disney collection, their princess collection, which I think is the best thing to happen to Colourpop since lippy sticks. So I was able to get the new Disney Princess Luxe lipsticks, okay? I did get, what, 5 of them? I'm missing one because Tiana sold out. So I'm waiting for them to restock. But in the meantime, I will be swatching the remaining princesses. I do have Jasmine on my lips already for the whole, you know, pink look. So I'll go ahead and swatch the rest for you guys, and I'll also show you how I achieved this look. So stay tuned. So we're going to start off with the color Ariel. And this color, oh, this is like a nice nude. Nudie. Kind of, is this like a peachy color? This is, whatever, it's cute. It looks like a taupey kind of color, which I actually like. So we'll try that one first. So I feel like, I don't feel like, I know like she's gonna need a liner. Because she's looking a little, it's a little much. I am not gonna lie to you. So let's try her with a liner. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Chestnut from MAC and try to add a liner to this. Okay, so it definitely muted the Ariel a little bit, which is what I needed. Overall, it's definitely a pretty color. I feel like if you ombre it with like a deeper brown, like chestnut, or even like Cork from MAC, if you don't want to go as dark as chestnut, it'll look really pretty with this. So next we have Cinderella, which Cinderella is this very light pink. And see, I feel like she's gonna need a liner too. Oh, excuse this application. You know, she looks like she can stand on her own. She really does. I am really shocked. When I got this, I was like, who's supposed to wear this? What am I supposed to do with this, you know? Okay, oh, okay, Cinderella. Go ahead, Cinderella. You good. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the color Belle. Belle is actually like a pretty what is this? Like a taupey kind of color? Oh, she's like a reddish kind of mauve-y color. Well, I'm all over the lip, all over the lip. Fix it, Jesus. Okay, so this one is Belle. Do love this color. Okay, so I know I already had on Jasmine, but I'll go ahead and swatch Jasmine for you without any lip liner so you can see what that looks like. And Jasmine is this bright pink, child. Oh, I love this color. Oh my gosh. Okay, so Jasmine is a super pretty, bright pink. I absolutely love this. Like, this is super fun. And it's a really pretty color. And then lastly, we have Miss Snow White, which is this super pretty red. Super red. This is like the perfect red. And I love this because it's super opaque and it's super creamy. This is like the perfect red. So Snow White came through with this one. Well, that is all the lip swatches that I have for you today. And then hopefully when Tiana comes in, I can work her into a look or just reshoot this video all over to accommodate her. But I'll go ahead now and show you guys how I achieved this eye look. Hey guys, so I've already prepped my eyes as well as my brows and, you know, filled those in and made them look all fancy. I did that off camera just because I got to get real close and I figured it would save some time. But if you want to see how I, you know, do my brows and everything, I'll post another video. So I'm going to go in with the color Soft Core, which is that middle shade right there. And I'm gonna take my Morphe G17 brush, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid all around. This is a pretty like mauve-y pink color. I love this. So then I'm gonna take my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Poodle up here, and I'm gonna put that color just under the soft core color. So now I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M578 brush, and I am going to go in with the color Trove here and put that in my crease. This is like a pretty deep, kind of like a burgundy-ish color, which I kind of like. It's super pretty. So I'm also going to go in using that same brush with the color Caddy right here, which is a purplish color at the bottom. And I'm also going to go into my crease with that as well and extend that a little further. So I'm going to go in with the color Opulent here, which is this really pretty pink shimmer shade. And I'm just going to go from the middle lid back. I love that this palette comes with a mirror because this is making life so much easier for me right now. I'll tell you. And I'm going to go in with the color Tickled right here. And this is actually really cute, like champagne-y color with pink and purple reflex in it. So I'll go ahead and put that toward the front and middle of my lid. And this shade might be like super cute wet too. You know, once I'm done applying it, I'll try to like see how it is wet. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe R43 brush. This is their Rose Gold collection. And I'm going to go in with the color Trove that we did in our crease at the bottom and line the bottom lash line. I think I'm also going to go in with the color Caddy and also go into the bottom lash line with that color. All right, I don't know about you guys, but I still love going in on my lash line with like a dark eyeliner pencil. Just I feel like it makes my eyes pop a little bit more. So I think I'm going to go in with Max Smolder and just line the bottom of my eyes. Yeah, I just feel like that makes under my eyes pop a little bit more. I'm going to now go in and like blend all of that together, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner as well as my lashes off camera. Okay, I'm back. So I do this off camera just because sometimes me and my lashes especially have a love-hate relationship. Today we have a like relationship. It was a little bit of a struggle, but they got on there and they stuck, so we're okay. But anyway, so I'm gonna be applying my foundation next. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix liquid foundation. I don't know why I always like apply this with my fingers first. Dude, so you guys, I was curling my hair today and I freaking sprayed my face all on this side with some hairspray. So now I got all these little bumps, this little mini breakout going on over here, and I'm just like, really, of all days? So I'm taking my beauty blender from Sonia Kashuk, and I'm going to blend this out basically. This would have been nice if I didn't have all kind of hair up on my lip right now, but it's okay. We're just gonna cover that up. Oh, so you guys, I did apply the Tickled color with some Fix Plus, and it did go on a lot better and a lot more opaque, I guess. But yeah, it's definitely brighter. I love it. So now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes, on my T-bone here, or on my T-zone, excuse me, and then on my Cupid's bow and on my chin. My T-bone, I promise. Get it together, Crystal. So now I'm going to use this beauty blender from Morphe, and I actually really love this beauty blender just because it's angled. You can get under your eyes, and then you can flip it over and also use it how you would a regular, you know, beauty blender. So this one is definitely my favorite. So I'll be going in with this next. Y'all see my little baby wing line? Oh gosh. That and lashes, I tell ya, gotta work on that. And we're gonna flip it over. Oh, this is exhausting. Why does blending take forever? Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we're good, you guys. So next I'm gonna go in and I am going to contour. So I have been contouring with the Pro Conceal and Correct palette in dark with this color, the NC50. So I'm just gonna go in, contour my cheeks a little bit. I really don't contour my nose too much just because it's already like pretty, you know, so I'll leave that alone for now. But I'll do my cheeks. And then I'll do my forehead here, my 5 head, so I've been told. And then I'll also do my chin as well. So I'm gonna go in initially. I also am gonna use this M438 brush from Morphe just because it's kind of chiseled like that, or like kind of pointed. So I'm gonna kind of buff out my contour, and then I'm also gonna use the beauty blender to buff out the rest of it. So now we'll go in with the beauty blender and do the rest. So I'm gonna go back in with this one too and just kind of make sure that I am cleaning it up a little bit here. So now I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I always use MAC's Raisin. I absolutely love this color. It goes with every white and skin tone. So this is my favorite blush of all time. Where's my brush? Seriously. So now I have to go in and highlight, of course. I'm gonna use this same brush that I actually buffed out my contour with, and because it's pointed, it's like perfect for highlighting. I think I'll go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. These colors seem like they're a little bit more brown girl friendly. So I'm gonna go in with the color Tourmaline, and that will be this shade right down here in this corner. I'm also going to go ahead and go down my nose here at the tip of my nose with the highlight. And also over my cupid's bow here. Just, you know, little glow. Never hurt nobody. I'm gonna go in with the Disney Princess collection from Colourpop in the color Jasmine. Because it's pink, stick with the look, okay? I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Current. It's like a deep purplish color. So I'm gonna do that first and then go in with Jasmine. So I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. Now we're gonna finish it up with some MAC Fix Plus. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. And I am loving the colors in this palette. I think that they're super fun, super girly. They still give me fall vibes with a little bit of, ooh, I'm not quite ready for summer to be over just yet, so sprinkle some summer fun in there, you know? And I really enjoyed doing this look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.